This timeless home offers a rare blend of space, comfort, and flexibility. Set within one of West Linn's most desirable neighborhoods, it's just moments from award-winning schools, neighborhood parks, and local wineries. As twilight settles in, its presence is undeniable, inviting, and quietly impressive. A gracious, covered front porch provides a perfect place to relax year-round. Inside, elegant, inviting spaces set the tone for memorable gatherings and sophisticated entertaining that easily moves to the private backyard patio. At the center of the home, the kitchen features quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, a generous cooktop island, and a sunny dining nook designed for effortless daily living. The living room is anchored by one of 5 fireplaces, creating warmth and ambiance with high ceilings and abundant natural light. A dedicated office with custom built-ins offers excellent options for work or relaxation. The main-level primary suite provides a luxurious retreat, opening to the patio for your morning coffee or tea. It's complete with a spa-inspired bath, soaking tub, walk-in shower, and a large walk-in closet with organizers. Upstairs, a second primary suite ensures comfort and privacy, accompanied by additional bedrooms and beautifully updated baths. Plus, a spacious bonus room is ready for hobbies, a playroom, or movie night. Outdoors, the fully fenced park-like backyard and covered patio create a serene setting for year-round entertaining. With nearly 4,900 square feet, dual primary suites, a 3-car garage, and 5 fireplaces throughout, this exceptional West Linn home offers a rare combination of scale, flexibility, and enduring elegance. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582.